Our subjective age, the age we genuinely feel, frequently diverges from our chronological age. This internal gauge is not a fixed number, but rather a dynamic perception, often fluctuating depending on circumstances. Most adults consistently report feeling younger than their birth certificate suggests, a phenomenon known as the age identity gap. This gap widens with increasing chronological age, implying a continuous recalibration of self against an accumulating past. The brain constructs this feeling of age from an intricate mix of past experiences, current physical sensations, and future expectations. This means the you who feels 25 on a vibrant morning might feel 40 after a demanding workday, demonstrating the elasticity of our internal age perception. The strength and vividness of our episodic memories directly influence how old we perceive ourselves. When recalling specific past events, particularly those from formative years, our subjective age can momentarily shift. A flood of detailed memories from adolescence might make someone feel younger, anchoring their sense of self in a past identity. Conversely, an inability to vividly recall recent events can contribute to feeling older, as if time has passed without leaving distinct markers. Our anticipated future also plays a significant role. A robust sense of future planning and personal goals often correlates with feeling younger and more vital. Without a clear path forward, the present can feel stagnant, subtly influencing us to perceive ourselves as older. Our physical state acts as a powerful, if often subconscious, cue for our felt age. The subtle aches of a morning or the unexpected burst of energy during a hike transmit information to the brain about our body's current operational status. This internal dialogue between body and mind heavily influences the perceived vitality that underpins subjective age. Beyond mere physical sensation, our brain actively constructs and maintains a body schema, a dynamic representation of our physical self in space. When this schema aligns with a youthful, capable image, we tend to feel younger. Divergences, such as chronic pain or perceived limitations, can cause our subjective age to inflate. Specific brain regions, like the insula, are deeply involved in processing these interoceptive signals, integrating bodily sensations with self-awareness to contribute to this fluctuating sense of age. Societal expectations and the roles we inhabit significantly shape our perception of age. Being surrounded by younger colleagues might make an individual feel older by comparison, while engaging in activities traditionally associated with a younger demographic can induce a feeling of youthfulness. Our cultural context provides a mirror, reflecting back an age identity that can either align with or challenge our internal sense. Furthermore, the perception of time itself plays a crucial, though indirect, role in our felt age. As we accumulate years, time often feels as though it is accelerating, a phenomenon known as time compression. The summers of childhood seemed endless, whereas adult years rush by, which subtly reinforces a sense of advancing age, even if subjectively we feel younger. Novel experiences, however, have the opposite effect, stretching out perceived time and making us feel more engaged and, arguably, younger. Our identity is not a static construct. It continuously evolves and adapts throughout life. Major life transitions, such as starting a new career, becoming a parent, or experiencing significant personal loss, can dramatically recalibrate our felt age. These pivotal moments often force a reevaluation of self, sometimes leading to a sudden leap in perceived maturity, or conversely, a renewed sense of youthful freedom. The self, in essence, is a narrative we constantly update and revise. This continuous process of identity construction means that the age we feel is less about fixed biological markers and more about the ongoing story we tell ourselves. Our perceived age, then, becomes a dynamic reflection of our self-narrative, adapting to new roles, experiences, and the ever-shifting landscape of our personal journey.